Little video here messing about with the fastback. So we blacked out the piece by the quarter window glass, just see what it looks like with glass, but we might actually replace that with a solid panel just with a vent running through it. But we've gone for a Butress style back end on it. So it's alright, just coming over the top of this car. Instead of going for a full fastback with a rear screen in it, I think the Butress style back end works a bit better. There we go, and it would have a window piece in there. Obviously at the moment, if you wanted to access the engine bay, you would lift the roof off, which would just be 4 catches anyway, so it's not the end of the world. Just give you a little walk round past here as well. Just stuck a cheap eBay spoiler on there just to give you an idea if it had a wing on it. So it would have a small glass piece in the back. It's an idea if it had a solid panel on it. Obviously that panel would need to come in a bit more anyway, so but there you go.